Welcome to another edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. Mwah. What do you want to talk about? Something about waking up in the morning, starting your day fresh?
Yeah, so this morning I woke up and I went immediately to a meditation. And the meditation reminded me that...
We talk about after the river.
Yes, the meditation reminded me that first thing in the morning, we often wake up kind of right where we left off when we went to sleep, right? So whatever you were thinking about, or whether happy or sad or positive or negative, or you're trying to, figure something out, you tend to pick right back up where you left off in the morning. And the meditation is like a great tool to break that so that you have time in between where you're opening up your mind so that you can process things with a lot more clarity and a lot more focus. And so I did that this morning, and it was just really a cool feeling because I got up and I kind of had woke up a few times throughout the night and I was thinking about certain things, and then when I woke up in the morning I was thinking about it a little bit, went right to that meditation, and I was able to let go of the thoughts while in the meditation. And then after the meditation, I had a whole different perspective on it. Yeah. And I just thought, this is worth sharing. This is really big.
Right. So we meditate every day. So you're saying this is different than what you normally experience?
Well, I don't know if it's different or not, but in this particular case, I was able to see it actually at work, right? And to see the benefits of the meditation.
Sure.
With the clarity.
Right.
So I do think it's something that with meditation that I do get on a daily basis. But in this, for me, very often I'll go to bed and maybe I'm not waking up thinking about the same thing because I've already figured that out. But in this particular case, it really worked because I was in that state. So, this would have been so helpful when we were renovating the house because I would go to sleep and my mind would race all night long about all of the decisions that oh my gosh, right? And we were under a time constraint for everything. And I don't think that I gave us, and definitely not myself, that gift of meditation in the morning to open up that space. And now I see how it would have made life so much more not only enjoyable, but more focused.
Well, sure. I mean, that's what it does. So, I love to meditate every day because it clears the decks. Whether you wake up in a bad state or a great state, it just kind of gives you that clarity to focus on within. You start with the breath and just focusing on the clarity and being in the now. It opens you up really for all that's in front of you for the day, and allows you to really, I think, absorb it all better. You're like a dry sponge going in. You can really suck in everything from the day, like this beautiful river. You can see the flowers starting to bud over here. When you're clear, you're able to think about all that stuff. So I think that's what's great about meditation, right?
I mean, there's so many great things about it, but this particular important factor is so important to share because so many of us, especially right now. I mean, a lot of people have a lot on their mind with the quarantine going on. Some people are working from home, so they're trying to navigate how to do that. And a lot of times you're going to sleep thinking about something in particular having to do with that. Or, on the flip side, so many people have also been furloughed or let go. So now they're thinking about, paying bills. So maybe they go to sleep and they think about paying bills and they're waking up with that same anxiety. This moment of meditation, and I would say a 10 to 15, a minimum of 10 minutes, and we all have the time right now.
Yeah.
But the morning meditation that I did was a 15-minute meditation. It was just the right amount of time to let go of where I was, so that when I picked it back up, I had a whole new perspective and everything looked really different, right? Because sometimes we get tunnel vision, right? Or so laser focused. And this breaks that allows for room for so much more. So give it a try, no matter what's going on in your life. And I want to hear below. So tomorrow morning, don't even get out of bed. Have your phone next to the bed, open up Insight Timer, and hit a 10+ minute meditation. And I like guided meditations, and I think those are really helpful, especially if you're not a meditation expert. And as much as you and I meditate, we are really good at it. But the guided meditation is so helpful even for people who do it often.
Yeah.
So Insight Timer, minimum 10-minute meditation before you ever get out of bed, and then focus after that on something that you're trying to get some clarity on. And put the note down below. Let me know how it went, because I'm super curious to see if everyone else has this epiphany about it that I had this morning. And I meditate every day, but this was a grand epiphany for me. So
that's great, honey. You had a breakthrough.
I had a breakthrough.
All right.
Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from Copper Mountain.
See you guys. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Love to have you on board.